Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren Yee, and today we're going to be making Pop Tarts. Now this is one of my favorite backpacking breakfasts that I always kind of bring along. Is ready-made pie crust. So we got our dough all rolled out first, and we're going to cut it into rectangles. Next, we're gonna make a little egg wash. Just break up the egg a little bit. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of splash of milk. Alright, that's perfect. Once we got our egg wash, we're gonna work on our filling. So what we're using today is some organic strawberry spread. I'll use about 2 teaspoons, and I've got about 2 teaspoons of diced strawberries that I have microwaved already. So the jam spread has the binding agents, which will kind of thicken it, give it some thickness, and has some sugar in there, so it will make it sweet. The other filling that we're gonna do is some whipped cream cheese. Basically, what we're gonna try to make is a strawberry cheesecake Pop Tart. Alright, we have our Pop Tart assembly line ready to go. So first what we're gonna do is add a little egg wash to each one of these. Next we're gonna add our strawberry filling. Alright, now we're gonna fold over this on the sides. We're gonna use a fork to crimp it all around to seal it in. I'm gonna put the little venting holes in it. And add a little extra egg wash on top. I'm also gonna sprinkle a little sugar. Okay, the air fryer has preheated. We're gonna stick our Pop Tarts into the air fryer. Alright, I'm just gonna spray the bottom here so it doesn't stick. Lightly, gently stick Pop Tarts on the bottom. One more here. Back in. We're gonna set it for 350 for about 8 minutes. Alright, and we'll check on it about 4. Alright, let's see how our Pop Tarts are doing. They definitely look crispy and brown. Take a couple more minutes. Just want to make sure that they're not sticking. Make sure there's enough air. There we go. All right, let's stick it in for a couple more minutes. All right, the Pop Tarts are ready. I think they're done. The Pop Tarts have rested for a little bit. As you can see, they are nice and golden brown. Another thing you can do to sweeten it up is use some Ghirardelli chocolate syrup. Just shake it up a little bit. Today I'm using some Ghirardelli dark chocolate.
I don't need dark chocolate.
There you go. Beautiful. Just cut into the segment here. You can see the nice steamy cream cheese and strawberry filling. The crust is nice and flaky on the outside. Let's try it. Oh yeah. These are better than the store-bought Pop Tarts. Definitely. They're a healthier treat. You can control the ingredients, the sugar level. You can put about any kind of filling, either a savory or a sugary. Any type of fruit preserve would be great. These are really good. Are you ready to try a Pop Tart? Go ahead and take a small bite and tell me what you think.
Good. Pretty good.
What can you taste?
I can taste the cheese. Yeah, I tasted that.
This is a strawberry and cheesecake Pop Tart. I want to thank you for watching Yee Fit Fuel. My name's Darren, and this is a sugary treat Pop Tart. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.